Friends, just as we saw that the major arcana cards represent the bigger, more huge changes in our life, the bigger events in our life, similarly the minor arcana cards represent the more mundane and everyday experiences of our life. These are more manageable and practical issues. There are total 56 cards in the minor arcana, which are further divided into 4 suits. These 4 suits refer to different areas of the querent's life. Our suit of wands is associated with career, work and creativity. It belongs to the fire element. Our cups are associated with emotions and affairs of the heart, relationships and everything that comes up with emotions. And hence this is the water element. Similarly, friends, swords is our third suit, which is associated with our thoughts and intellect and hence also associated with ideas. Swords suit also represents the truth. By its very nature, it suggests that it is the air element. Pentacles, which represent the earth element, are associated with money and all material matters and everything which originates from there, like luck matters, materials, comforts, successes, etc. Now friends, each of these 4 suits comprises of numbers 1 to 10 and then followed by 4 court cards, namely the pages, knights, queens and kings. Our numbers represent the querent himself journeying through life, whereas our court cards represent external influences in terms of events, situations, people, messages and many more things. So friends, as we progress through the numbers from the aces to the tens in a particular suit, the power of that suit and everything that suit signifies increases with the progressing numbers within the broad area represented by that suit. So for example, we are talking about wands. So where in the ace of wands, we are starting with some bit of career, some bit of action, etc. Then in the twos, the power of the action, career, work, creativity increases and it keeps increasing with each progressing number from 3s, 4s, 5s until it is at its peak in the 10th card, that is the 10 of wands. So friends, we can safely say that more is merrier. However, more the merrier is restricted to the wands, cups and pentacle suits. In the case of the sword suit, which represents thoughts and intellect, when thoughts become too many, they represent stress and tension. They are the only most negative suit, also the most dreaded suit, and in this particular suit, definitely more is not merrier. On the other hand, you can say the lesser the better.